Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use NotebookLM for book summaries. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, open NotebookLM and create a brand new notebook. You can think of the notebook as your main workspace where all of your uploaded sources, notes, and conversations are stored together. Once the notebook is ready, upload the book you want to summarize as a source. You can use a PDF, a Google Doc, or another supported format that contains the text of the book. Make sure the document is complete and readable so NotebookLM can analyze it properly. Once your book has been added, move over to the chat area inside NotebookLM. This is where you will interact with the uploaded content and generate summaries, outlines, and analysis. Start with a broad request, such as asking NotebookLM to summarize the entire book. This gives you a high-level overview of the main ideas, themes, or story structure. After getting the overview, begin asking more focused questions related to characters, themes, plot points, or specific sections of the text. You can continue refining the results by asking follow-up questions. If the summary feels too short, request a more expanded version that includes important turning points and deeper explanations. If you prefer listening instead of reading, you can even ask NotebookLM to create an audio-style overview based on the summary or outline, which can be useful for reviewing content while traveling or multitasking. Throughout the process, it is important to keep context in mind. If you need accurate references, direct quotes, or supporting evidence from the book, ask NotebookLM to point to specific sections within the uploaded source. That's the basic process for using NotebookLM for book summaries. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.